If you're going to sell on Amazon, you need to learn how to do product research. In this video, we're going to do site to site. If you're ready to learn how to do product research, give this video a thumbs up. Let's get into it. So first, what you need to do is go to a website such as Walmart or Target or any other retail store that you can think of. So we're going to go through Walmart. Let's go through, I guess, kitchen finders under $50. So basically what we do is, here's the brands. So we're going to go to Hamilton Beach. So what we do is go through all of these products here and copy them and send it into Amazon. So this is basically what you do. It's very tedious task. Product research is one of the longest, I guess, time-consuming things to do when it comes to selling on Amazon. There is easier ways to do this, but this is the way that I'm teaching right now in this video. Let's see here. Hamilton Beach 2-pound digital bread maker. Okay, so let's see if they have that. Hamilton Beach, no. I think this is it. Digital machine compact. I'm doing this on the fly, by the way. So this one here on Amazon is $69.95, and this one here on Walmart is $49.99. So that's one product right there. We're going to take a look at it and see if there's any profit in it. I have a calculator down here from Helium 10 that that will tell me if I'm able to profit. If I was to send it in through FBA or Merchant Fulfill. I recommend getting this because it helps me out as far as seeing how many sales within the month. It's free. You can get it at helium10.com and go to Google Chrome plugins and you can download it right there. Okay, so Hamilton Beach automated bread, $69.95. Over here at Walmart, it's $49.99. Okay, so if you were to, let's see, do Merchant Fulfill, for some reason it doesn't show the FBA, which I'm guessing it's going to be around break even, so there's no profit in this product. Because even though you do Merchant Fulfilled, you still got to think about shipping. So it might cost $9.47 to ship it unless you drop ship it from Walmart, which Amazon does not really want people to do. Another thing I do, other than counting these right here for the rank, I have a extension here called AMZ Scout Pro. I love this extension because they have a lifetime Pro extension, which is about $279. I'd rather pay for this one time than pay $50 a month or $20 a month. And over time, you're going to pay more than this. I'm going to turn the filter off, and we're going to see how many sales. There's only about 7 estimated sales. Okay, so we're going to go on to the next product. So basically what you do is this over and over again. As you can tell, this is kind of boring. Hopefully I get views on this, showing you guys this, but I know that most of y'all are probably going to be like, well, this is boring. I don't want to watch this. But this is basically what you do over and over and over again. It's kind of crazy and it might drive you a little nuts doing this, but once you start seeing that you're making sales, it'll start to be more worth it. So we're going to go up here, paste. I think I put in a different one. Okay, charcoal broil. Let's get rid of this. So this one right here, $130. Let's see how much it goes for on Amazon. If we can't find it, we'll just go on to the next one. Oh, well, that's Amazon. Hold on. This is what we're looking at. Hamilton Beach toaster oven in charcoal. So Hamilton Beach countertop. Let's see if we can get it to look exactly the same. Switching back and forth. Sorry if I'm giving y'all headaches. I'm starting to give myself a headache. Let's see here. Cannot find the exact product, so I don't know if that's it. That's close. That's really close. That's not it though. Okay, we're gonna go on to another one. Let's see. Hamilton Beach Belgian waffle maker. Let's look at this. See if there's a difference in profit. Oh, another thing that might help you while you're doing product research is listen to music. It helps the time go by. Let's see, waffle maker. Is that the same thing? Might be. There it is. The waffle maker. The waffle. Somebody's trying to sell it for $59.95. Is that the same thing? No, it's not. Okay. All right. I think I'm on the wrong one. There it is. I think it's black right here. It has 6 reviews, so it is having sales. So let's see what the buying options are. So $30. Okay. So we can get it for $17.88. We might actually find a product here. See, $30. And you can get it for $17.88 right here. $17.88 leaves you $7.62 $7.62 in profit, which is not profit because you have to account for shipping. So again, if you were a drop shipper, it might work, but then again, Walmart has a $25 free shipping, so that's not going to work. So if you do make a profit, it's probably going to cost $5, leaving you $2.62, which is still a profit, but the reason why I don't like the drop shipping model is because it's more like 10%. So if you pay $30, you make 10%. Well, in this case, it's less than that because you'd only make $2. This is why I like the FBA model better. I'm not saying I'm not thinking about trying drop shipping, but this is the model that I like because I've made, pretty good money on it. $17.88. Let's go on to the next one. When you first start out on Amazon, you might not be ungated in these products, but I'm just giving you a general idea of what to do in the categories that you are ungated in. So let's do Hamilton Beach. And I wouldn't sell Hamilton Beach, by the way. This is just a way for me to teach you guys without, I don't know, just to teach you guys without hurting any sellers out there, because I want y'all to learn how to do it. I just don't want sellers to get upset because I'm finding their products and giving them to everybody on YouTube, and then they do the same thing and then they get out of business or whatever. But this is basically how you do site to site. It does take time. Hamilton Beach stainless steel blades. Is this no? That looks like it, kind of. Here it is right here. Hamilton Beach. It's probably another drop shipper. 705 reviews. Okay. See all buying options. Let's see what we got here. $44.87. Sells for $16.99. You might actually make a profit on this one. Oh, okay. All right. Let's go here. Back up. Okay, let's wait for the Helium 10 extension to pop up. Hamilton Beach. All right, so looks like it's got quite a bit of sales here. I'm going to use AMZ Pro, Scout Pro to tell me how many sales a month. It's saying less than 5, so okay, so trusting this is kind of hard. Well, I mean, it says here that they're getting more than 5, but I don't know if we should trust that if AMZ Scout kind of says differently. But, and Amazon did sell on this, so that's a no-no. But we're going to check anyway. $16.99. I'm sorry, I forgot my train of thought. $44.87. So, $44.87. Okay, and it costs $16.99. So, $16.99. It might cost you $10 to ship it, and boom, $10 profit. Woo! We found something. Usually whenever you watch product research videos, they don't find anything, but we found something. And I probably should blur out the names, but I'm probably not going to do that. But it's just giving you guys an idea of how to do product research. And can I sell this? Probably not, but still, it's good. All right, we're going to do one more, okay? Just one more. Let's choose a can opener. And again, you can do this on Target. You can do this. There's only one left. Okay. You can do this on any website. Just cross-reference. I would go to brands just so that if you type in Hamilton Beach, you can go over here to Amazon and see what other things in Hamilton Beach are selling. And if you look and see that, okay, this is $22.99. It's a grinder. Usually a grinder is probably around that price, but you can search through here and see if there's something that looks like it's overpriced. Eventually you'll get better at it. So this is $29.99. Probably does sell for $29.99. No. Okay. I got coffee. That's why I'm a little jacked up. No, I'm just kidding. All right, so like if this was selling for like $49.99, you might want to check it. You know what I mean? This one's $37.15. Maybe you want to check it. We're not gonna check it though. Okay, so the next one, Hamilton Beach Touch Can Opener, and this is $29.92. Let's see if it sells on Amazon for a higher price. Boom, enter. I'm trying to be entertaining. Sorry. All right, wrong one. This is it. $29.92. Okay, it's the same thing. That's crazy. So I'm guessing Hamilton Beach might actually be on Amazon. Either that or Amazon's selling it. So, all right, I know I said one more, but we're going to do another one. Okay, so let's go to a different brand. Back out. Okay. Black & Decker, Aroma, Instant Pot, Mr. Coffee. Let's do Mr. Coffee. Mr. Coffee. Okay, so 12 cup, $19.96. This is the last one. We're going to check it. So basically, it's the same thing over and over again. Eventually, you're going to fill up a spreadsheet. Let's talk about that spreadsheet. So I have a video down below to where you can fill in a spreadsheet, and basically it'll help you with your product research. All right, let's get back into it. Paste. Mr. Coffee 12 cup programmable coffee maker. That's it. Let's see here if we can find it. 730. That's what it says on it. 8. Alrighty. This is right here. Boom. So it doesn't have a price, so that's why we hit see all buying options. If it continues to not, that is not the same product. Hold on. Let's go back. It's got a gray area around it. Right here. This is it. Boom. Same product? Yes, it is. So this one's going for $27.06, $19.96. There's no profit. Okay. So this is basically what you do. All right, guys. I hope you enjoy watching this product research. If you know an easier way to do site to site, please leave them down in the comments down below. If you would like a spreadsheet to help you with your Amazon research, I will have a link down below to a video of the spreadsheet that I use and how to get it. Also, if you want to learn how to make money on Amazon with no money, I will have a link down below to a video that I did teaching you how to make money on Amazon with no money.